Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix number of connections to this computer is limited problem in Windows 11.10. We will enter the command gpedit in the search box, open the policy editor. Now in computer configuration, open administrative templates. Then expand Windows components. After that, locate and open remote desktop services. Then expand the option remote desktop session host. Then open connections. Here you will double-click on the policy, limit number of connections. In this window, check the box, Enabled. When you do, in the RD Maximum Connections Allowed box, enter the number displayed 6 times 9. Apply this change. Restart your PC to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.